Trying to decide between buying or leasing an office copier? Well, depending on your business and copying needs, you might find more advantages to leasing your office equipment. Stay tuned. Hey y'all, I'm Marissa with AIS. Has your copier seen better days? Is it time for an upgrade? When your business is faced with a big decision like this, it can be challenging to decide if you should purchase or lease your office equipment. If you've been teetering on the edge of whether to lease or buy, you've definitely come to the right place. We're going in depth on the benefits of leasing an office copier and how your business can benefit the most by doing so. Stick around for some great and free information on office copier leasing. Number 1, less money up front is required. One of the most significant advantages of leasing a copy machine is that there's less upfront capital required. Typically when leasing, there's no payment needed. This means you really don't need to put any money down when signing a new lease agreement or service level agreement. Also, instead of paying for the entire machine up front, as you would if you were to purchase it, leasing allows you to make monthly payments. As you probably already know, monthly payments help manage cash flow while ensuring your business is operating within a set budget. Number 2, staying up to date with new technology. Another advantage of leasing your office copier is the potential technology upgrades. Technology is evolving at a pace we simply can't keep up with, and it might not always be financially wise to upgrade your office copiers if you've purchased them outright continuously. In most cases, you'll end up losing a substantial amount of money. Leasing office copiers allows your company the ability to upgrade more often without losing money because you won't have a large sum of capital tied up in that machine. Better yet, your office copier leasing company might allow you to upgrade your devices if you're eligible or if your contractual obligations are met. Number 3, leave the hassle of repairs to the experts. If I had to guess, neither you or your employees are experts in copier repair or troubleshooting, but you aren't supposed to be anyways. When you lease a copier, there's no need to worry about maintenance. All you have to do is contact the leasing company, and an experienced technician should take care of the rest. When it comes to maintenance, most copier companies set up a routine maintenance schedule with your business to ensure all your office copiers are in proper working order. A great office copier leasing company will work with you in setting up times that work best for your business and interrupts productivity the least. Number 4, eliminating financial responsibility. One final and important advantage of leasing your office copier has to do with financial responsibility, or lack thereof. When purchasing a copier machine, the large, significant investment is just the beginning of the potential financial burden. Once the warranty ends, all needed repairs and maintenance are your financial responsibility. This can quickly become costly if something major happens to your machine. Since you are leasing, you don't own the machine, so any regular maintenance, troubleshooting, or routine wear and tear isn't your responsibility. Now, if an employee takes a baseball bat to the glass of your copier, that of course is a different story, and more than likely results in your business footing the bill for those damages. However, routine servicing also tends to be part of the price negotiation when leasing the machine. We really only scratch the surface when it comes to the benefits of leasing an office copier, but we wanted to at least give you our top benefits your business could experience if you decide to go down this path. Want more information? Check out our blog, What Are the Advantages of Office Copier Leasing? In this article, we provide even more benefits of leasing your office equipment, along with what to look for in an office copier leasing company. Oh, by the way, are you interested in learning more about office technology for your business? Maybe you'd like more information about finding the best copiers and the tools needed to do so. Check out our free ebook, The Ultimate Printer and Copier Buyer's Guide. And guess what? This guide has a section that specifically talks about purchasing versus leasing. Just turn to page 29. The Ultimate Printer and Copier Buyer's Guide is a great resource to take advantage of. It walks you through any and all of your office technology decisions, regardless if you're purchasing or leasing. And the best part about it, it's free. All you have to do is click the link in the comment section below to download your copy. How could you pass up a freebie like this one? Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video, as well as our channel on YouTube, the Copier channel, so you can travel along with us through tutorials, tech tips, and helpful videos all about your office equipment and technology solutions. I'm Marissa, and remember, you can worry less with AIS. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.